coffee machine. Plug in, water level, on off button. Okay, it will start a sequence. Okay, now it's ready to go. Okay, 1 cup, longer cup. Now steam, you press that, wait until it stops flashing. You got 2 sections here for hot milk, cappuccino. Okay, it's ready. Stop flushing. This lever, okay, goes out. Okay, and to stop it, that's it. Now sometimes it won't start immediately with the cups. Okay, if you find yourself in this position, just turn it off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on, and it will start the sequence again, and it's ready to go for the coffee. Okay, coffee pod in, ready to go.